Good day everybody. I'm going to give an alternative solution to this question. The original solutions seen on the social media are too cumbersome and they are very tedious to follow. So this alternative technique will enable you to understand this question and the solution in easy terms. So having mentioned that information, I'm going to use the special forms of polynomials. So we've got the special form of polynomials. So that is given as follows: u suffix m positive n is equal to u suffix m times u suffix n negative u suffix m negative n times x into y raised to the power of n, where we have got u suffix n is equal to x power n positive y raised to the power of n. Now let me consider this part. I will be coming to the special form in a minute. So this is what we have got. Now if I were to take n to be equal to 0, I get u naught is equal to x raised to the power of 0 positive y raised to the power of 0, which is 1 positive 1, which implies u suffix 0 is equal to 2. That's all important value that we have got. Now having got that, let me take n to be equal to 1. So that would mean I have u suffix 1 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 positive y raised to the power of 1 is equal to x positive y. But it is given x positive y is equal to 3. So this means x positive y is equal to 3. So that is another important information we have got, which in turn will mean that u1 is equal to 3. So u0 is equal to 2 and u1 is equal to 3. Now let me take u2. Let us consider u suffix 2. So in that case, m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 1. So this system, if I were to take this as alpha, I can rewrite alpha to be as u suffix 1 positive 1 2 is equal to u suffix 1 times u suffix 1 negative u suffix 1 negative 1 is 0 times xy n is equal to 1. Now this is going to be u1 squared negative u suffix 0 of xy is equal to u suffix 2. Now since u suffix 1 is equal to 3, this is going to be 9 negative u suffix 0 is 2. So it's going to be 2 times xy is equal to u suffix 2. So this is a very important expansion we have got. So let me go to the next page. Now I have got this, so let me use this in this fashion. Okay, u suffix 2 is got. Now let me go to u suffix 3. So for u suffix 3, I need to write the given system in this following fashion. So if I were to take m is equal to say 2 and n is equal to 1, in that case this is going to be u suffix, this is 2 plus 1 is equal to u suffix 2 u suffix 1 negative u suffix 2 negative 1 of xy raised to the power of 1. Okay, so u suffix 2, do we have anything for u suffix 2? 9 negative 2 times xy, 9 negative 2 times xy multiplied with u suffix 1, which is 3 negative u suffix 1, which is 3 times xy. This is nothing but u suffix 3. Okay, I can rewrite this as 27 negative 6 times xy negative 3xy, which is equal to 27 negative 9xy. This is my u suffix 3. So we need u suffix 5. So I'm going to take m is equal to 3, n is equal to 2. So using the same formula, 3 positive 1, it's going to be 5 is equal to u3 u2 negative u3 negative 3 negative 2 is 1 of x into y of 2. Okay, so this is going to be u suffix 3 is this 27 negative 9xy times u suffix 2 is this 9 negative 2xy. U suffix 1 is 3 xy whole squared. u5 is this 33. So place that 33 there, and then you perform the distribution. So 27 into 9, 9 7s are 63, 6 18 2 4 3, 27 into 2 14 154 xy, 81 xy, positive 18 xy whole squared, negative 3 times xy whole squared. So you have 81 and 54, 5 135. So 243 135 xy, and then this is going to be 15, 18 negative 3, so 15 xy the whole squared is equal to 33. You can rewrite this as 15 xy squared negative 135 xy. You have positive 243 negative 33 equal to 0. So you have to subtract, so that is going to be 243 minus 33, so 0 and 2 and 1, 210. So you have 15 xy squared negative 135 times xy plus 210 is equal to 0. Now if I divide by 15, I would get xy squared negative 9 xy plus 14 is equal to 0. So now if I were to use quadratic technique, it's going to be 9 plus or minus root of 81 negative 4 4s are 16, 1 4s are 4, 5 divided by 2. So 81 you take 56, you get 5, from 7 you take away 5, you get 25. So root of 25 plus or minus 9 divided by 2. This is going to give me 9 positive 5 divided by 2, which is 14 divided by 2, which is 7, and 9 negative 5 divided by 2, which is 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. So we got two values, xy is equal to 7 or xy is equal to 2. So the question is, how are we going to move forward? Now since x and y are roots, because we are actually looking to find x and y, since x and y are the roots, then clearly we can write the sum of their roots or sum of these roots and product of the roots. So that would mean they would be the roots for the following system. So I'm going to take that system as p squared negative sum of the roots and product of the roots. Okay, so that's always acceptable. Now having got this, since xy is either 7 or 2, so let me take xy to be equal to 2, the smaller value first, and we have x positive y. What is x positive y? It's given in the question, right? So let me show that to you. X positive y is 3. So utilize that fact. And x positive y is equal to 3. I can clearly rewrite this as, so therefore equation 3, you can take any name. So this is going to be p squared negative 3 times p positive 2 is equal to 0. So you solve this by quadratic. So p is equal to 3 plus or minus root of 3 squared is 9, 4 times 2 is 8 divided by 2. So this is 3 positive 1 divided by 2, which is 4 over 2 is equal to 2, or 3 negative 1 over 2, which is 2 over 2 is equal to 1. So p, so you got p is the root, right? So p is equal to 2, p is equal to 1. So this means, what is the meaning of this? This means you got x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, y will be equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 2. So I have got this. Now the question is, what happens when x into y is equal to 7? So we need to get that. Now for that I'm just going to change the system. 3 will now be rewritten as p squared negative 3 times p positive 7 is equal to 0. So p is equal to positive 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 28 divided by 2 times of 1. Now you see here, this is giving me a complex root. So xy is equal to 7 has to be dropped. So this one you drop it. Why? Because we are looking only for real solutions. So what are the solutions? This is the real solution. So real solutions for this particular system is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, right? So the other one is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Okay, so these are the only real distinct solutions for this particular system. So this is a system that is given, and for this system holds good when x takes the value 2, y should take the value of 1. On the other hand, when x takes the value of 1, y should take the value of 2. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe.